#Skinny Fat Diet. Nutrition tips to help you transform. By the end of the video, we'll know about effective nutrition strategies to transform your skinny fat physique into a lean, muscular, and healthy body. This guide provides practical tips on how to balance your diet to achieve optimal results. Understanding the skinny fat condition. A skinny fat physique is characterized by a thin appearance with a higher body fat percentage and low muscle mass. Addressing this requires a focused approach to nutrition that supports both fat loss and muscle gain. Step 1. Caloric management. Finding your caloric needs. Determine your total daily energy expenditure, TDEE, to understand how many calories you need to maintain your current weight. Use this as a baseline to adjust your caloric intake based on your goals. For a fat loss. Consume slightly fewer calories than your TDEE to create a caloric deficit. For muscle gain. Consume slightly more calories than your TDEE to create a caloric surplus. Step 2. Macronutrient ratios. Protein. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. High protein foods include chicken breast, turkey, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, legumes. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide the energy needed for workouts and daily activities. Focus on complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Oats, brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, whole grain bread. Fats. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production and overall health. Include sources of healthy fats in your diet: avocados, nuts and seeds, olive oil, fatty fish. Step 3. Meal timing and frequency. Balanced meals. Ensure each meal contains a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. This helps maintain energy levels and supports muscle growth and fat loss. Pre and post-workout nutrition. Pre-workout. Consume a meal or snack rich in carbohydrates and protein about 1 to 2 hours before exercising to fuel your workout. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Diametize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Step 4. Hydration. Stay well hydrated to support overall health and optimal physical performance. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. More if you are highly active or live in a hot climate. Conclusion. Transforming from a skinny fat physique requires a balanced and consistent approach to nutrition. By managing your caloric intake, focusing on macronutrient balance, and supporting your diet with proper hydration and supplementation, you can achieve your desired physique. By the end of this guide, you now have the knowledge and tools to create a nutrition plan that supports your fitness goals. Remember, consistency and patience are key to seeing results. Good luck on your journey to a healthier, stronger you.